なずらべで。
ねえ、ケスケ。You never say anything when we sneeze でしょ。
何も言わないね。
なんで？
逆になんか言うんすか？
We say bless you.
それどういう意味？
I think like bless. And also in the Middle Ages, some people believe when you sneeze, your soul leaves your body.
Oh my god, that's intense. We're like dying. That's scary. In France, we say "à tes souhaits." It's like may your wish come true. Then if you sneeze once more, "à tes amours," which is may your love come true. Which is kind of cute, right? I don't know the reason why, but like anything you want will come to you. Like
I should have sneezed more when I did that. So in Croatia, we say na zdravlje, to your health. I think we say that because like, oh, don't get sick.
That makes the most sense. Not like bless you because your soul is escaping your body. We're simple.
まあでも大丈夫とか日本では聞くかもしれない。
まあちょっと似てる。
ちょっと似てるかもしれない。
確かに。But I say すみません。
Yeah.
À tes souhaits.
Na zdravlje, na zdravlje.
I love the sound of it.